Hi everyone, hope you all are doing good. Well, today I'm not going to share any recipes. Instead, I'm here to give an important update about my channel. Also, recently we have moved into our own new home, and because of that, of late, I have been a bit inconsistent with video uploads. Between managing the interiors, shifting, and settling down, life has been quite busy. But now that things are finally falling into place, I'm ready to focus again on my channel, along with, of course, my family. Well, this move has been a big milestone for our family, filled with excitement, a fair share of chaos, and plenty of lessons along the way. From choosing the right furniture to adding personal touches in every corner, it's been a journey of turning four walls into a warm and welcoming space. Through it all, I kept thinking about how much I'd love to share not just recipes but also these little slices of life with you. This whole process made me realize that life is not just about what's on the plate but also about the spaces, experiences, and people we share it with. In short, they are part of the joy, creativity, and inspiration I hope to bring before you all. Initially, I considered starting a new channel altogether, but managing two separate channels won't be feasible at this point of time. So instead, I have decided to rename and rebrand my existing channel. So from now on, Continental Desi Kitchen will be known as Spice and Soul Diaries. So you must be wondering why the change. While cooking remains a true passion of mine, I have found joy in many other aspects of life too, especially home decor, organizing and creating cozy corners, and traveling different parts of the world with my family. Uploading only recipes started to feel a little limiting. That's when I thought, why not share all the little things that spark joy and creativity? Well, the word spice reflects my love for cooking and flavors from different cuisines, and the word soul captures everything else that makes life beautiful, like home improvement, decor ideas, travel vlogs, and the soulful moments that uplifts us. So going forward, Spice and Soul Diaries will be a space where I'll be sharing delicious recipes, home improvement and decor ideas, travel vlog and lifestyle, all aiming at bringing positivity, creativity and inspiration to your lives. So friends, I hope you will show your support in this new journey, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and follow my videos and stay tuned for all the exciting content coming your way. We'll see you soon in my new video. Until then, bye bye and take care.